Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar, and I'm here with another inspiring story for all of you. Before we go on to the inspiring story, for those of you who are new here to the channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, could I request you to please subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell icon? And for those of you who are already my subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and the WhatsApp group, a heartfelt thank you. As you are aware, the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant was made with two ideologies in mind. One, to share daily inspirational with everyone. Number two, to share the best stories of mankind at its very best, so that all of you are inspired to make a difference. Today, the inspirational story I have for you is about a Mumbai based organization which is making a difference to cancer affected children. Do you know that in India, 50,000 children are affected with cancer year upon year upon year? And this number is only increasing because of the havoc we as a species have played on the environment and the ozone depletion. With 50,000 children in the hospital and the wide income disparity in India, only 22%, about 11,000 children, cancer affected children, reach hospitals for treatment. The balance, 39,000 children, we can only imagine the pain, suffering, and the terrible death they have. Now, coming to these 11,000 children, also, that is 22% of cancer affected children who are able to make it to hospitals, a majority of them are badly malnourished. Now, what does this mean to the treatment of cancer? We all know that we require nutrition for survival. And if children are malnourished, as the majority of these children are, because they come from a strata of society which is not able to afford the treatment so easily, and while there are government organizations and NGOs to support with monetary support and medication, nutrition is a much ignored fact. Now, with improper nutrition, the body is not able to activate its immune system to the required level and also not able to heal fast. With malnutrition, chemotherapy and the medical treatment given for cancer face another additional hurdle towards cure. In these disheartening circumstances, all is not lost. We have a Mumbai based organization which has tied up with nutritionists as the core strategy, and with 22 hospitals so far across the country, including the famed Tata Memorial Hospital and the AIIMS, and provides nutritional supplements to cancer affected children. The inspirational leading this effort is Purnata Bail, and she is an alumni of the Indian School of Business at Hyderabad. Purnota Bahl is responsible for and the founder and CEO of Cuddles, the organization based out of Mumbai. It's a woman based organization based out of Mumbai, which is spreading its wings across the country today in, in an effort to provide nutritious food to malnourished children. How did this come about? Purnota Bahl one day was walking across an cancer ward and she saw the leg of a child. She did not see the rest of the body, but the leg, just the sight of the leg of that malnutrition child affected her so much that she walked across to the caretaker and asked about the food and nutrition for the children in the cancer ward. And the caretaker said, while there were people to support with finance and with medicines, NGOs and government organizations were supporting with that, but there was no one to support on the nutrition front, and the children, many of the children were malnourished, and treating their malnourished cancerous children was an uphill task because medication and chemotherapy does not work well unless the proper nourishment is there in the body and the immune system is able to fight back and is healthy. This affected Purnota so much that then and there she decided to start doing something about this immediately. She started off with contributing to the Tata Memorial Hospitals her complete salary in the hope that it will reach a family members of the malnourished children and they will take care of the children with proper nourishment. The next step she took was to resign from her job and take up this endeavor full time. What does Cuddles do? What is Purnota's vision? What difference is it making? The difference is that today nutritionists from these hospitals where the Cuddles program is adopted go across to the children and speak with their parents and the children, understand their need, and based on that a diet plan is made which results in the proper nutrition to these children. In addition, additional food is provided such as eggs, ghee, buttermilk, curd, milkshake, dry fruits, right, as supplements. Pediasure, Pediagold, Therapeutin biscuits and feeding tubes are provided to ensure that the right nutrition is reaching these children and they are better equipped with a healthy immune system and to fight back against cancer. Taking additional steps, across the country now, they are in 13 cities, 22 hospitals on board as partners, and everywhere the nutritionist is the core of the program. They have taken 2-3 additional steps. In addition to food, nutrition, and supplements to these children, they have also started providing ration for a complete family of 3 of each of these cancer children. Do you know why? Because when the parents and caretakers of these children are worrying about the treatment cost, the medicines required, they forget to take care of themselves and end up having a malnutrition body themselves. So Cuddles has taken a step ahead, not only food and nutrition and supplements for the children, but food, nutrition and supplements for their parents and caretakers. They have initiated a midday program. So when the children are in hospital, they are given or visit the hospital, they and the parents are given a hot meal prepared as per the nutritional requirements so that the children and parents together are better prepared to fight against cancer. It's really amazing that this important part was neglected by the government agencies and NGOs in the battle against cancer. But now, the Cuddles Foundation is making a difference by providing a nutritious meal to the caretakers, the children, and the parents, rations for the full month for a family of three, and they also take care of supporting them emotionally. If you want to make a difference to cancer affected children, request you to please look up the Cuddles Foundation at cuddlesfoundation.org, or you can write to them on team@cuddlesfoundation.com. Alternatively, you can give them a call at 022, which is the Mumbai STD code, and 61737 is their number. I repeat again, 022 617 Please reach out and help in any way that you can. It will make a difference. Every drop makes a difference. It is people like Purnota Bell, a totally inspirational woman, who are making a difference to society today. To leave a lucrative career in marketing, leave the income which your family has month on month, and dedicate yourself to the welfare of others is a major step. And Purnota took this step to make a difference to cancer affected children. Hats off to women like these who make a difference to society. Friends, thank you for watching your channel, Generous, Gracious, Gallant, and its inspirational stories which I bring to you. I request once again, if you like the inspirational stories which I share with you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who are already my subscribers, my heartfelt thank you to each one of you. You make a difference to me. Friends, till we meet again with another inspirational story on your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe. These are COVID times. Look after yourself. Good luck. Take care.